Hello, this is Joyce. Now we're going to turn our attention to our upper-level textbooks. Calling on professors who are assigned upper-level courses is a great way to make the most out of every call, and the relationships you build in these calls will help you in Composition 1 and 2. We will begin with a course called American Literature Survey, where you have a revision of Kane's American Literature. Here is a question that professors often ask: what is the price of the book? Christopher Benham has something to say about that.
Kane's American Literature is part of our Penguin Academics series, which equates with brevity, quality, and a reasonable price. The first edition was published in 2004, so instructors will be happy to review the new edition. The publication date for Volume 1 is August 1st, and Volume 2 will publish September 1st. Perfect timing for American Literature survey courses offered in the spring. Value packs have been created with My Literature Lab, which gives professors and students access to My Literature Lab for American Literature.
For instructors teaching Shakespeare this spring, you have new editions of Bevington's The Complete Works of Shakespeare and The Necessary Shakespeare, packaged with My Literature Lab. The Necessary Shakespeare is a briefer version of the complete works and includes 20 perennial favorites as well as the complete sonnets. You also have Powell's Classical Myth and a first edition by Powell called World Myth. The courses for these books are called Shakespeare, Classical Myth, and World Myth.
Ask the professor about packaging Kennedy's The Literature Collection with their textbooks for the genre courses. Here you can see the table of contents organized by genre.